Come in, oh, Grace. Henry, swim out. Henry, swim away from the boat. Whoa, Daredevil! What'd you think about the snorkeling?
It was good. When I jumped off the boat, it really hurt my leg.
Oh, when you slammed on the water?
Yeah. I hurt my leg.
Nose in your water?
Not in my nose. Sorry. Dad, can you give me a boost?
I can't. I got nothing to push off of.
Salt water on my... Wait, Dad, you do it.
Oh, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, come on.
I'm the photographer.
I can hold it for you.
I don't want to. Because it's a pain to get all the floaties and stuff back.
I can hold it.
Buddy, I got it. I want you to just go on a slide.